Cause Desmond said the people them been a drink the water all along and nothing happened to them. So if the water contaminated, how nothing happen to nobody? What's going on in the kitchen and turn on the pipe man and catch a glass of water and drink it, na brother? Our sister. Argument done they say, no?
Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Yeah. Way on. Yeah.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of the Candid Talk podcast. This is your host, 876 by birth, and I just want to say a big shout out to all the persons joining for the first time. Welcome to the podcast. Do remember for like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, alright? And an even bigger shout out to the persons who is already a part of the family. You understand? Big up on yourself when you don't know the thing, guys. What may I say? Yeah, man, and as usual, we're there with another interesting topic. You get what may I say? Now, we'll just jump right tonight, people. You understand? Yeah, man, right tonight. And as what I say, we just gotta be real with everything. Like, we just have a reason and we gotta be real. You get what I say? And also, guys, don't be afraid to share your thoughts, your views, your opinion in the comment section down below, alright? Yeah, man, you know the thing go already. You see me? Alright, people. So, we're looking at the space right now, and we're all of this big talk about the water in Jamaica being contaminated. You get what I say? Now, we see, as you know, we're in we're basically in the election season. Alright? Yeah. So the election is supposed to be held this year. You get what I say? Now, we see all the news come out where we say the JLP party, I say, well, the constitutional minister of constitution, I don't even know. But the female minister there, I think, yeah, Malahu for cheese, basically, she put out a news and I say the election is not even constitutionally due by September this year, or some shit I say. But that's one next thing we're gonna probably jump in after another day. You understand? But within our election season, you get what I say? And even though when it's like the JLP them, them machinery now oil up yet, and them fire like how we see the PNP them a fire upon all cylinder. Yeah, we not see the JLP them a do that, you see me? But we know say them know say yo, you see me? We know them in a election mode too. You see me? So the two sides them, it's fair enough for we say the two sides them in a election mode. One of them does more a show it, which are the PNP, and the JLP them kind of array with it. So so what go on now is the JLP, I think them keep one meeting like rally. Yeah, them keep on them rally with them party supporters and array. So we see them attack and I say yo, them vex how the PNP come out, and I said to the people them say the water in a Jamaica, the water, I think mostly like Kingston and St. Andrew side, that's coming through your pipes in your house, like when you turn on your kitchen tap, your kitchen pipe. Yeah, them I say yo, them vex say the PNP, I go around and I say yo, the water contaminated and people for boil them water and ray all sort of something. You see me? Now, so honestly, I think they're vexed or they're upset because they're saying the PNP has spread propaganda. You get what I say? So, me not hear them come out outright and I say, yo. So them not directly say, yo, the PNP not supposed to put the people in on them guard. for them reason for the uproar is, yo, them a spread propaganda. So them not even address the fact if the water contaminated or not. You get what I say? They must say, yo, the man, they must spread propaganda. So my thing is, you see me? A simple maths, you know, people. I will not even go make this like drawn out on a rocket science something. My thing is, yo, you see the PNP, they must say the water contaminated, and only the JLP I say, yo, it not contaminated. All of the MP them and everybody, every leader in a JLP or every person in a party where live in a like the Kingston or St. Andrews side, them part there, just going on in the kitchen and turn on the pipe man and catch a glass of water and drink it, na brother. Our sister. Argument done they say, no. Cause Desmond said the people them been a drink the water all along and nothing happened to them. So if the water contaminated, how nothing happened to nobody? No, really and truly, a lot of persons in Jamaica, they buy water. So in the past, like little before 2020, maybe like about 2018, maybe like the latter part of 2018 or so, there's this big boom in water stores in Jamaica, or water shops. So it's a place where you can go and you can get your bottles filled with I think it's RO water, reverse osmosis, I think. Yeah, where these stores, they have a whole ton load of filters, and them filter the same NWC water, and you get it filled in your bottle. Any size bottle where you bring, trust me, them have a price, can price it and full it up for you. Now a lot of Jamaicans, they have the 5-gallon bottles, like me myself. Now a lot of persons, that's the water that they've been drinking. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying people don't drink the pipe water, but drinking the water straight from the pipe is a thing of the past in Jamaica. Alright? Like me growing up as a youth, just come from school, reach home, me used to just turn on the pipe outside right there, so at the cistern, and you know you make the warm part run off first, cause you know the sun hot and everything, so you turn on the pipe and the hot part run off. Cause you know them, especially back in them time, the water used to run through the galvanized pipe them, and them pipe they did run things, and unlike now the PVC them, so you know you turn on the pipe and the warm part run off, and then you have the nice cool part, and you just set your hand and you're there right at the pipe, you suck on pan the pipe and you drink the water. Alright. A lot of persons drank water from the pipe back in the past. Nowadays in Jamaica, especially like Portmore side, Kingston, a lot of sections in Jamaica, people don't drink water straight from the pipe. So you get what I say? So when we hear them say you've been drinking the water all along and nothing no dear, trust me, people now drink water straight from the pipe like they used to do back then. Now, me personally, me not even cook with the water from the pipe. You understand? Yeah, of course, you know, you brush your teeth with it, but me not digest it. Or me not ingest it, me not swallow it. You get what I say? I don't even cook with it. It no matter what me cook. Me not cook with it. You understand? Yes, you can have like 1 and 2 moments where you might have cook some ground food or whatever because you not drink the water there, you probably can cook 1 and 2 times. But for the most part, if a rice a steam, pasta cook, whatever are the matter, once the water I got evaporate, or me know have the potential for soaking of the food that me a cook, or be a part of the food, make porridge, make juice, me not go use the water from the pipe. And me think me can safely say this is the practice of most Jamaicans. Maybe not the cooking part, but for drink, a lot of Jamaicans. And why me can say so? When you go to the water store, they are jam-packed. And if after you get through, you stand up there for even 5 or 10 minutes, you see how much other people are come through. Majority of the time when you go there, there are persons before you. And when you come out, you have persons where you're left in the line. And if you stay there for 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to see how much other people pull up. You see me? So, I don't think that is a, like, to say Jamaicans are drink the water from the pipe all along, and not none of them. No. Me not think that statement they like 100% correct. Because as me say, and people in a Jamaica, like, drop it in the comment section. Make me know. Like, people, me think them buy more bottled water. But like, me not think people are consume the NWC water directly like that from Adam Yard. I don't think so. You see me? Not for mention over Portmore. Every house have a black tank on the top. You see me? And them use that for like, for when them a bathe and something. I have to store the water for when the water gone or something. I don't necessarily for drink like that. Because the water store them in me see in a Portmore them full of people at the time. You understand? Yeah, man. Not for mention all on the weekend. Now, brother B, sister B, as I say, a simple way for quash this, you know, all this bag of beating up a gum and this and that, you know. Just turn on the pipe, no man. Turn on the pipe, because the man that say Ministry of Health never declare nothing. We don't want to misquote them, you know, people, because, here's what I say, we don't want to misquote them, no. We're not here for we're not really there for say what them never say. You understand? But the general idea, in my humble opinion, I am thinking what he's saying, the water good and it can drink. So me I say brother B, sister B, for quash all argument, for deny stop, and for PNP shut them out and go inside and tap in eyes. All of uno were there in there, we agree with Desmond. And I'm thinking him probably speak for the entire party. I don't know, but all of uno were there, they were agree. Even the people in the crowd where they say, yeah, achoo, yeah. Just run some viral video, man. Put out the video, them. Make every time I open a video, I see a different person. Make me see 1,000 video. We do not drink the water. Tell me so when they're home today. Today I'm home and I'm drinking my water straight from the pipe. And you turn on the pipe and you catch a glass full. No filter. No filter. We don't want to see no filter on the pipe. You see me? Yeah, make sure not a filter. Be honest. Be honest. You see me? And turn it on. And drink it. Since you don't have so much faith tonight, drink it. And done all argument. People, if you agree with me, agree in the comment section. You see me? Say you agree with me in the comment section. If you think, say them for just turn on them pipe and drink the water straight from the pipe. You don't have a kitchen and glass for one. Set it on a night like I'm described when me I did youth. Set it on a night and go so and drink it. You see me? Yeah, man. Because ain't no way, bro. People now do that like one time. People now do that shit like one time. So that is a bad example for use, for say, yo, the people have been a drink the water from a long time and nothing now do them. Because, as me say, it could even be before this, but from around 2018 or so, like, I've been buying the water before this. You understand? A years now, me stop drink the water directly from. You get what I say? Because my thing for not drinking the water, apart from me know say the water dirty, because when you live in a Portmore, you know this thing, you know. You understand? I'm going to go a little off track a little bit. In a Portmore, people were outside of Portmore, when they ask them about Portmore, what Portmore biggest problem, not for them run joke and tell them mosquito. No. People that are from Portmore know say mosquito and a Portmore problem. The Portmore biggest problem are water. You know me I say mosquito was a thing of the past. Yeah, at one time them was a national bird, but no more. But people outside will use that and make joke. But the people that live at Portmore will tell us the biggest thing in a Portmore is water. This is why every house, or 99.99% of the house them in a Portmore have a tank on the top of it, on the roof. And from me a youth, or from ever since me, they see them tank upon the thing. When you walk past, and if you think a lie, me I tell you, if you're there in a Portmore, anytime you go a Portmore, just look on the tank them on the roof. You always have this white marker come down on it. And you know when you talk to people or you analyze it, you think for yourself, you realize, say, yo, a chlorine. So from a long time, me ever said to myself, say, yo, this water is heavily chlorinated. And I don't think this is good for us. You understand? I'm gonna think if you consume it, if it do the tank so. Imagine what it do to your insides. I don't know. Just I say. You see me? I just think. I don't know. So when me pre it, I always I say, yo, this a water ain't no good for drink. So from long time me I drink the water. And yes, the water dirty too. But my main reason for diverting from drinking the water was that it was heavily chlorinated. In my little view, my little opinion, and that made it think. You get what I say? And to me say it heavily chlorinated too. That no mean say it no come with other foreign particles in it and them like something there too. Cause sometimes when you turn on the water back in the days and put more, you see brown and come out of the pipe like brown. See me? Chocolate brown, yeah. So that's why. So from a long time, we not drink the water. Somebody say all of that for telling us, say, yo, people been not drink the water from a long time. You get what I say? So, brother B, sister B, all me I say, turn on the pipe and drink the water and all of the noise will stop. You get what I say? That's all me have to say. That's all me have to say about that. People tell me if you don't agree with me. You see me? And me know the conversation can go wider in terms of the whole water being polluted and all of that and the talk. And we know say yeah, it can all go over in this being political and all of them something they too. But me not really want to go down in that direction. I just say, brother, you said the water good. Sister, you said the water good. Run a video. Turn on your pipe. Turn on your video, turn on your pipe, video yourself and full up a glass with water, or you set your hand underneath it and you drink it. Drink one bowl, one glass full of water. You understand? And say, yeah. See, they drink about 1 pint of it. Yeah. And say, yo, yeah. And just do that for the whole day when you're home. And me think that's supposed to stop all argument. You understand? Yeah. Cause me there, if me say orange juice good for me, and not do it, suppose you can just drink some orange juice. Or peel an orange and eat it, don't it? Yeah, my people, I there's somebody thing there, you know. This bag of chattings. Show we, brother. Show we. And that more want you for do. Show we, and sister, show we. You understand? Yeah, and done all argument. You see me? Yeah, man. Sure, man. You see it, people. So, that does my piece, you know. Yeah. That does my piece. As I say, I not even come for really drag it out too tough. That does my piece. You don't know. Give thanks to everyone who tuned in. Give thanks for all who share them opinion in the comment section. Give thanks to all you lovely subscribers for being a part of the community. You see me? Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, man, and I don't know the thing. And for those who just listen, you see me? Feel free to click the subscribe button. Come over on the other side over here, sir. You see me? Yeah, man, and you don't know the thing already. You don't know when you subscribe, when you click like, when you drop your comment and all of that, you know, say, it boosts my little thing. So that's you supporting my little thing. You see me? Yeah. So bless upon yourself. Even if you don't agree with me, you know, feel free to drop your comment, you know. Because we like to get things from a different perspective, you know, because, you know, we like when we can stimulate people's minds and have stimulating conversations, you see me? This helps us to be a more deeper thinker about everything. So, if you share a different view, a different opinion, yeah, man, your views and opinions are welcome in the comment section. Just keep it respectful as usual, you see me? Yeah, man, people. So again, me I gotta say, yo, do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And this is your host, 876 by birth, and this has been another episode of Candid Talk. So bless up, my people. I'm out. You see me later. Yeah.
Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Yeah. Way on. Yeah. Way out.